What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Anything But ASIC. And today we're sitting here today looking at Bitcoin's price. It's at 100K. Finally, it stopped teasing the 100K line and finally walked past it. And we're sitting here looking at people taking slight profits. The ETFs are down. The ETFs are going down. The Mt. Gox is going down. Everything is going down. And MaCfee predicted it, of course. The ghost of MaCfee has invaded. Are you guys excited? It took Bitcoin 15 years to get here. 15 very, very long years. And all the way taking all the criticism, all the FOMO, all the negativity, and all the hype as well, just to get here to 100K. Finally. Now, being that Bitcoin is at 100K, that means that at least the fiat currencies on the other side of this equation are just not doing so well. So things might get rough. According to, if you remember, was it Bitcoin Chris, when he sold his Bitcoin back at $5,000 some years ago, said this was going to be a terrible place for fiat, and it really is. If you work a normal 9 to 5, you work a W-2, you know it is not going well. But if you invested in Bitcoin and didn't listen to the naysayers, you're living large right now, and you can care less while they eat ramen noodles, if they can afford that. So, here we are, enjoying life. Let's read some articles. Why is Bitcoin crossing the 100K after teasing it for so long? Let's see. I'm going to get refresh on this. CoinGecko, of course. It's just climbing. It stuck his nose over the 3,000 mark over there. It's just climbing. So we're going to read a few articles. Bitcoin blast due $103,000 after Trump's pro-crypto pick for the SEC. Bitcoin prices have reached an all-time high above 100K as markets continue to march upwards. Bitcoin's price surged a record high of $103,630 early trading in Asia on Thursday, December 5th, according to TradingView on Binance. This just happened a few hours ago. Now, once again, in the crypto market, if you're a few hours late, you're late. Because the bots are already on it. Just about everything's automated. So the bots do things in nanoseconds. So hours for them is like a decade. Continuing on. The breakout of the consolidation added more than 7% over the past 12 hours as the asset climbed from an intertrade low of around $95,000, which I seen it hovering around. I didn't think it was going to do this. This just kind of happened all at once. Bitcoin has now made a whopping 140% year to date, outperforming most traditional assets. The latest move has also pushed its market capitalization over $2 trillion for the first time in history. Bitcoin at six figures. Analysis Miles Dish, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Commented, the ideal scenario for BTC would be closing above on the daily, consolidating for a few days between 100 and 105K, and then smashing 120K. You think that's possible? Does anybody think that's possible? I heard 300K is not off the table. Meanwhile, Bitcoin peer pioneer Anthony pumping it all. I'm not gonna say it. Never mind. Said 100K is a psychological milestone before adding. Yes, it was. Every boomer is waking up to headlines tomorrow and then going to buy some Bitcoin just in case they were wrong. It's too late now. It's too late. Welcome to the next phase of the game. Big move followed by that the news that President-elect Donald Trump selected Paul Atkins to reduce outgoing Securities and Exchange Commission's Chair Gary Gensler. Trump has vowed to wind down the Biden administration's war on crypto, which was primarily led by the SEC and Gary Gensler. Additionally, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that at an economic forum in Moscow that nobody can prohibit the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, reported Bloomberg. As BTC hit the six-figure milestone, ETF store President Nate Gris, I'm not going to pronounce that, posed a list of quotes from bankers, politicians, and billionaires, boomers, deriding the asset over the past few years. Vaporware, there's no intrinsic value, based on thin air, it's a scam, how can it be worth anything, rat poison squared, pseudo asset, it's fraud, worse than tulip bulbs, Ponzi scheme, evil, latest iterations of fool's gold, Bitcoin eclipses 100K. Where are they now? It's unclear how high the asset will go since Mt. Gox's wallet transferred 24,052 BTC worth around 2.43 billion to a new wallet after the price broke 100K. I'm gonna let you know a little secret. Mt. Gox didn't do that. That was a 3-letter agency that actually confiscated Mt. Gox's BTC and moved it for them. Crypto market cap at all-time high. The total crypto market cap surged to a record high of 3.87 trillion following the Bitcoin move, which pulled everything else up with it. Ethereum has broke out also. It has already been breaking out, tapping 3,924 as it pushes towards the psychological $4,000 barrier, which has been passed. Meme coins Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu were also making larger gains, as were Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, and Sui. Where's Litecoin? Where's Litecoin? I hope Litecoin gets in this day at this time. Be nice to see it. It's on every exchange that Bitcoin is. But there you go. Are you guys happy? There's a little explanation of what's going on here in the last 3 hours. Why Bitcoin has finally stopped tiptoeing around up to that 100K mark and just broke through. Let's read another one. Bitcoin surpasses 100K, boosted by regulatory changes in institutional investments. We're going to talk about the regulators. I love those regulators, especially you, Gary Gensler. Kept the Bitcoin down for 15 years, and now we're here. Because you took the eye off the ball and you went after the AI companies, and now we're here. In brief, Bitcoin reached an all-time high, driven by significant market events. Regulatory changes and institutional investments are boosting confidence in cryptocurrencies. As we predict, Bitcoin may reach 120K by December's end. I personally don't think so. Bitcoin has reached an all-time high of 103,850, surpassing the long-awaited $100,000 threshold. This surge can be attributed to the appointment of Paul Atkins as the new head of the SEC as significant institutional investments in BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. Additionally, support from the Russian President Vladimir Putin for cryptocurrencies has also played a role in driving prices higher. I gotta do the Putin memes. Somebody bring out the Putin memes. Paul Atkins SEC appointment boosts crypto market sentiment. On December 4th, Donald Trump announced Paul Atkins' appointment as the new SEC chairman. Succeeding Gary Gensler, known as pro-crypto figure, Atkins' appointment has created a more positive atmosphere in the market. It also raises hopes for a more crypto-friendly regulatory framework. In his remarks about the appointment, Trump stated Atkins, along with Pierce and Ueda, will restore common sense and real investor protection to the SEC. Following this announcement, Bitcoin's value rapidly increased, signaling that pro-crypto policies may be accelerated. BlackRock ETF and Putin's support strengthening Bitcoin. BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF IBIT has surpassed the $50 billion mark in managed assets, drawing significant attention. This success came just 228 days after its launch. Bloomberg ETF strategist Eric Bluhanus noted that the unprecedented nature of this rapid growth investments in IBIT boosted demand for Bitcoin, enhancing institutional interest in cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, Russian President Vladimir Putin openly expressed his support for Bitcoin during the Moscow Calling Investments Forum. He stated, "These technologies cannot be banned. Bitcoin and digital assets will continue to grow." Putin's comments have increased confidence in cryptocurrencies across global markets. Following these developments, Bitcoin's market value has exceeded 2 trillion, surpassing major companies like Alphabet and Amazon. Ooh. You're fighting Google and Amazon now. Ooh. Google and Amazon's gonna get in on this. Don't worry, they're already here. You just don't know it yet. Amazon already has a big hold on Ethereum, and by having a big hold on Ethereum, you have a big hold on Tether. By having a big hold on Tether, you have a big hold on what Bitcoin's going to do. So I'm not worried about that. Google may have something in there. I don't know exactly, but don't count any of these two companies out just because their stock is down. I continue on. As daily trading volumes rise, long positions in the futures markets have increased. Investors believe Bitcoin could reach 120K by the end of December. These events create a strong foundation supporting Bitcoin's future value. Institutional interest and positive regulatory changes are enhancing confidence in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's performance is set to be a significant milestone discussed in the crypto world for years to come. And we're finally here. 15 years later, the ghost of MaCfee has arisen, and has told you that Bitcoin will make it to 100K in USD, by the way. But what do you guys think? Are you guys suffering? Are you guys still sitting on the sidelines? Or do you have any USD? Let me know if you guys are excited about this. Do you hate it? Do you not like where this is going to go? Being big institutional funds like Vanguard and BlackRock being in on the Bitcoin. Do you think it's going to end up like gold, where they just take all of it? Even though, like I said, 3-letter agencies already have like half the Bitcoin. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling about this. Bitcoin at 100K finally. And I'll see you guys in the next one.